ating tutorial, dapat alamin muna natin ang iba't ibang fundamental trigonometric identities. So, meron tayong reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. Which is, nataka na natin sa last video ang reciprocal identities. So, meron tayong 1 over sin theta is equal to cosecant theta, 1 over cos sin theta is equal to secant theta, 1 over tangent theta is equal to cotangent theta, 1 over cosecant theta is equal to sin theta, 1 over secant theta is equal to cosine theta, and 1 over cotangent theta is equal to tangent theta. Next is sa quotient identities, meron dalawa. Tan theta is equal to sin theta over cosine theta. Cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sin theta. Then sa Pythagorean identities, meron tayong sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. 1 plus cotangent theta. Cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant theta. So maganda na dapat alam natin ang iba't ibang fundamental trigonometric identities. So let's have an example. Let's say we have secant squared theta minus tan squared theta over sin theta. So, bago natin masimplify ang ating expression, kailangan mag-isip tayo mula sa Pythagorean identities na pwede nating magamit upang meron tayong makakancel. So, let's say, gamitin natin ang second Pythagorean identities. Sa second Pythagorean identities, tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. So, i-rewrite natin ang expression. Instead of writing secant squared theta, ang isusulat natin ay ang tan squared theta plus 1. So, meron tayong tan squared theta plus 1 minus tan squared theta over sin theta. So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. So, positive tan squared theta minus tan squared theta is equivalent to 0. So, makakancel na to. At yung may iwan ay 1 over sin theta. So, based sa ating reciprocal identities, 1 over sin theta is equivalent to cosecant theta. So, ang ating final answer ay cosecant theta. So, let's have another example. Let's say we have cos squared theta over 1 minus sin theta. So, same procedure sa unang expression. Mag-iisip tayo mula sa ating Pythagorean identities na pwede natin magamit upang meron tayong cancel. So, gagamitin natin ang first Pythagorean identities. So, meron dito, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So, sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So, pwede natin i-derive or i-transpose itong sin squared theta sa kabila para meron tayong cos squared theta, cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. So, i-transpose natin yung sin squared theta, magiging negative siya. So, i-rewrite natin ang ating expression. Instead of writing cos squared theta, ang isusulat natin ay ang 1 minus sin squared theta. Dahil ang cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. So, we have 1 minus sin over 1 minus sine theta. So, dahil magkaiba ang ating numerator and denominator, so hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel. So, ang gagawin natin ay gagamit tayo ng sum and difference of a monomial. So, we have 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta over copy the denominator na 1 minus sine theta. So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. Maka-cancel ito. So, ang may iwan ay 1 plus sine theta. And that's our final answer. So, let's have another example. Let's say we have cosine squared theta multiplied by tan squared theta plus 1. So, same procedure sa mga nauna. Maghahanap ulit tayo mula sa ating Pythagorean identities na pwede natin magamit upang mayroon tayong maka-cancel. So, let's say, itong second Pythagorean identities. So, tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to second squared theta. So, ang second squared theta daw is equivalent to tan squared theta plus 1. So, instead of writing tan squared theta plus 1, ang isusulat natin ay ang second squared theta. So, meron tayong cos squared theta multiplied by second squared theta. So, sa ating reciprocal identities, second theta is equivalent to 1 over cosine theta. So, meron tayong cos squared theta multiplied by 1 over, dahil may square dito, so magiging cosine squared theta. So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. Pwede natin i-cancel ito at saka ito. So, ang may iwan, and our final answer is 1. So, let's have our last example. Let's say we have cosine squared theta over 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta. So, same procedure ulit sa mga naunang expression. Mag-iisip tayo muna sa ating Pythagorean na pwede natin magamit. So, let's say yung first Pythagorean yung gagamitin natin. So, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So, pwede natin i-transpose ulit yung sine squared theta para ang iiwan ay, pero meron tayong cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine theta. So, para hindi magulo, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Ita-transpose ang sine squared theta sa kabila. So, meron na tayong cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. So, instead of writing cosine squared theta, ang isusulat natin ay 1 minus sine squared theta. So, meron tayong 1 minus sine squared theta over 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta. So, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-cancel dahil magkaiba ulit sila. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng sum and difference of a monomial. So, meron tayong 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta. So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. Makakancel ito. So, ang maiiwan ay 1 plus sine theta minus sine theta. So, sine theta minus sine theta is equal to 0. So, makakancel na to at ang maiiwan at ang final answer natin is 1. So, remember, pwede tayong gumamit ng iba't ibang trigonometric identities as long as tama yung proseso dahil same lang din naman ang kakalabasang sagot. So, that's all. Thank you.